This video found you for a reason. You've got an important speech or presentation coming up that you need to go well. And that's your problem. You need it. Let me tell you a quick story. Back in 2023, my business had a breakthrough year. I was working with more clients, speaking on more stages, earning more money than I ever had before. Everything was going great until we got into 2024. Everything started going in the opposite direction. Less clients were coming my way. Less opportunities were coming my way. My money was going down as well. And to make matters worse, we'd actually just moved from Scotland to Germany and we were living in an expensive Airbnb. So I was really feeling the financial pressure. I was worried about the future of my business, but I did have one opportunity back in Scotland. I was invited to speak at a conference where I knew a lot of corporate companies would be at in attendance. And I saw this conference as my one opportunity to get back on track, to start getting back out there, to start making more money and more opportunities once again. So I actually flew from Germany back to Scotland to do this free conference. I wasn't paid to do it, so that I could speak for 30 minutes and try and get more opportunities. And I remember going in thinking, I need to make this work. So I went out there, delivered my presentation, and it went well. The audience were engaged, they were laughing, it was good. But no one approached me afterwards to talk about what I could do for their business, for their organization. I didn't get any leads from the gig and ended up flying back to Germany the next day pretty much empty-handed because I needed it too much. And when you need something too much, the audience can feel that. And as a result, less opportunities come your way. Now, fast forward 1 year, I'm living back in Scotland and I get to speak at the same conference once again. But this time I go in with a different mentality. I go in thinking, you know what? I'm just going to enjoy this. I'm going to give the audience tremendous value. They decide what they do with it. So I do my talk. It goes even better than the year before. And from that half-hour presentation, I get 5 leads and 2 of them turn into business. Isn't that interesting? When I needed it, it didn't happen. But when I was relaxed about it, when I knew no matter what I would be fine, lots of great things happened. And this is a big mistake I see people make when it comes to doing a job interview, when it comes to doing an important pitch, when it comes to any form of important presentation. They tell themselves they need to make it work. And that, in some ways, doesn't always lead to success. It sets you up to fail in some ways because the audience, again, can feel that neediness. Like if you think of like a stand-up comedy gig, for example, when the comic isn't getting many laughs, you can almost feel in them that they need a laugh, and that puts you off them less and you're less likely to laugh. But if you see a comic or a stand-up comedian up there and they're very relaxed, they're loose, they're telling jokes, but they don't feel like they need the laughs, they often get even more laughs than they would have otherwise. So going into your presentation, don't feel like you need it to be a success. Instead, remember the truth that no matter what happens in this presentation, in this speech, you will be fine. At the end of the day, life will carry on. You'll move on to the next presentation, the next opportunity. It's going to be all right. And if you go in with that relaxed mentality, you're probably going to find that you'll get the job in the interview, that you'll get the winning of the business in the pitch, that you'll make the presentation more of a success because you're relaxed, you're in the moment, and you're focused on giving value instead of receiving something from the audience. I wish you the very best for your next presentation.